Welcome back to the Makita UK channel. We've been building towards this. Months of innovation, all coming together in one release. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the UB005G XGT 40V Mitre saw tabletop, a dual-function machine combining a mitre saw and a table saw in one. This brushless machine is equipped with an Efficut blade, delivering cutting efficiency equal to or greater than corded models using a general blade, whilst maintaining portability. Designed for versatility on-site, it features table height adjustment to suit a range of applications, while the rip fence is secured at both ends to support stable and accurate cutting in table saw mode. It is auto-start wireless system compatible with a dust extraction activation button. Cutting capacity is up to 69 by 130 mm in mitre saw mode and 40 mm in table saw mode. Next is the HR011G and HR012G XGT 28mm brushless SDS Plus rotary hammers, designed for efficient drilling and braking applications. They are designed to be smaller, even with the 400 ml capacity dust collection system attached, while delivering improved efficiency over the HR001G for a lighter, more compact design. The HR011G is supplied with a standard chuck and DX17 dust collection system, while the HR012G features a quick change chuck with the DX18 system. Both support drill bits up to 265 mm in length, with a maximum diameter of 28 mm. Advanced technologies include AFT, AVT, and AWS, supporting user safety, reduced vibration, and improved dust extraction compatibility. A newly designed light structure directs the LED to the front of the dust collection system, improving visibility at the point of application. An electronic speed control button allows for adjustment between heavy-duty and more delicate tasks, while 3 operation modes, rotation only, hammer only, and rotary hammer provide versatility across applications. Performance has been improved over previous models, delivering 3.3 joules of impact energy compared to 2.8 joules on the HR004G, supporting enhanced drilling efficiency and excellent maneuverability on site. A powerful and well-balanced solution engineered for control, efficiency, and consistent performance. Featuring the GP001G, a high-performance 40V brushless grease gun engineered for efficient lubrication in demanding applications. It delivers higher speed discharge than the DGP180 while maintaining the same maximum discharge pressure. It features a 4-stage discharge speed selection function for controlled output depending on the application, along with a fixed quantity discharge function for consistent grease application across repetitive points. An airlock detection function is also integrated, alongside an improved design for easier attachment and removal of bellows cartridges. The tool delivers stable discharge even under high-pressure operation, ensuring reliable performance in challenging conditions. At high pressure, 40 megapascals, work efficiency is increased by approximately 175%. Also in the new XGT lineup is the BS002G, a 40V cordless pipe belt sander designed for metal pipe sanding applications. It supports a maximum pipe diameter of 125 mm, providing capability across a range of pipe sizes. The tool features constant speed control along with variable speed adjustment via dial, allowing speed selection to suit different applications. A soft start function supports controlled startup. Belt changes are quick and straightforward, supporting efficient operation on site. Available accessories include abrasive belts, conditioning belts, and felt polishing belts, supporting a range of finishing applications. A purpose-built solution for controlled and consistent pipe sanding applications. The PB003G portable bandsaw delivers increased work efficiency, with cutting speeds up to 30% faster compared to our 18V model. It features a toolless adjustable stopper plate and an anti-restart function, with a maximum cutting capacity of 66 mm for round pipe, supporting powerful and fast cutting across a wide range of materials. Suitable for use in tight spaces, particularly around combustible materials where hot works are not permitted. Moving over to our 18V LXT platform, the DBN640 metal connector nailer is designed for the positive placement of nails when fixing metal reinforced connectors to beams and battens. It supports nails from 38 to 64 mm, with a pneumatic spring drive system delivering consistent driving performance. The tool features driving depth adjustment for controlled fastening, along with an anti-dry fire mechanism to support reliable operation. A window allows for quick checking of remaining nail quantity during use. A slim nose design provides excellent visibility and supports corner nailing. On a fully charged BL1860B battery, the DBN640 delivers up to 1,000 shots, supporting extended use on-site. A powerful fastening solution engineered for consistent performance in structural applications. Also within the LXT platform is the DTD201, a top-of-the-range brushless impact driver, delivering high power and high-speed performance for heavy-duty tasks. It produces up to 210 Nm of fastening torque, with high-speed rotation reaching 3,700 revolutions per minute. Control is supported through a 4-stage impact power selection, along with a dedicated T-mode for thin metal sheet applications. A one-touch bit installation system enables quick and efficient bit changes, while an anti-bit wobbling structure enhances stability during fastening. Available accessories include the E-26179 Impact Premier 38-piece torsion bit set, the E-13552 Impact Premier 31-piece torsion bit set, and the LXT battery protector. Positioned as the most powerful impact driver within the LXT range, the DTD201 is engineered to deliver high performance across demanding applications. The DTD158 is an 18-volt brushless impact driver within the LXT range. This model is an affordable option with a max fastening torque of 170 Nm. It features variable speed control via the trigger, with a relocated center of gravity to reduce wrist strain, offering a simple and easy-to-handle solution for general fastening applications. The DTW800 Impact Wrench features a compact and lightweight design, with a brushless motor and a 7/16" or 11.1 mm hex shank bit holder. It delivers up to 800 Nm of maximum torque, with electronic 3-stage impact power selection and an integrated hanging ring for added practicality on site. The DBN501 is an 18-volt brushless brad nailer, featuring a pneumatic spring mechanism that delivers a feel similar to a pneumatic nailer. It is suitable for interior work and other finishing applications, while offering improved maneuverability and a more lightweight design compared to the DBN500. It features toolless nail jamming clearing, an anti-dry fire mechanism, and a slim nose design to support improved visibility in tighter areas. Driving depth adjustment is included for controlled and consistent fastening across applications. Moving over to our CXT platform, the CL200FD is a 12-volt brushless vacuum cleaner. It uses a compact, high-speed brushless motor to achieve a more user-oriented design, which features reduced noise alongside higher suction power. It also delivers improved suction performance with cyclone technology and 3-mode power selection. The GA4100, GA4600, and GA5100 mains angle grinders are designed primarily for finishing work on exterior structures, including stainless steel, handrails, and porches. Each model features variable speed control via dial for stepless speed adjustment depending on the application, along with an anti-restart function and a soft start function for controlled startup. A range of disc sizes is available across the models: 100mm, 115mm, and 125mm, supporting different finishing requirements on site. Available accessories include diamond wheels, cut-off wheels, flap discs, and wire brushes. Moving into our outdoor power equipment lineup, the UB005G XGT 40-volt hedge trimmer delivers the power and durability required for professional landscaping applications. Designed for shaping, clipping shrubs, and tree maintenance, it offers a compact and lightweight design to support mobility and ease of use. The tool features a slim 18mm body for improved handling in tight spaces, with an optimized center of gravity positioned close to the grip to support balanced operation and reduced user strain. It delivers up to 3,600 strokes per minute, with a maximum runtime of up to 181 minutes when used with a BL4025 battery. Cutting capacity supports branches up to 8mm in diameter, making it suitable for detailed trimming and topiary work. Additional features include a grease nipple for lubrication and improved durability. A professional-grade hedge trimming solution engineered for precision, control, and extended runtime. Also within the 40-volt outdoor power equipment lineup is the UB005G Blower Vacuum, designed for professional outdoor cleanup applications, with enhanced blowing and vacuuming performance and improved ease of maintenance compared to the UB005G. This tool features a one-touch lever switch for quick change between blower and vacuum modes, along with a variable speed cruise control lever for consistent operation during extended use. In blower mode, it delivers a maximum air velocity of 87.0 meters per second. In vacuum mode, it provides up to 150 watts of suction power and the ability to mulch material to save space in waste collection. The UB005G is designed to combine lightweight handling with professional-level performance for site cleanup tasks. The UB003G is a 40-volt max blower developed based on the DUB363, utilizing the XGT battery system to enhance blowing and vacuuming performance and improve overall work efficiency. It features a variable speed control with cruise control lever and is IPX4 compatible for improved weather resistance on site. The toolless suction pipe and nozzle can be disassembled for easier handling and storage, and the tool is compatible with existing optional nozzles. The UB004G XGT Backpack Blower combines a lightweight design with high power output, delivering improved performance for professional outdoor use. It features enhanced wearing comfort and a control panel designed for clear visibility and ease of operation. A push-button cruise control function supports consistent operation during extended use. Optimized for use with BL40808 batteries, the system delivers performance equivalent to 65cc petrol machines. With high air velocity, capable of moving even wet leaves. The tool operates using 2 batteries in parallel for extended runtime, running on one battery at a time and automatically switching to the second when depleted. The UB001G XGT Ground Trimmer features a 500mm cutting width, designed for efficient grass and ground maintenance applications. It includes toolless handle height adjustment and toolless cutting height adjustment for quick setup on site, along with a foldable handle to support compact storage and transport. A 3-wheel design allows the machine to stand independently, reducing holding effort and operator fatigue during extended use. The EN425MP is a T-shaped ground trimmer attachment designed for use with multifunction powerheads, compatible with UX01G, DUX60 and DUX18. It features single-sided shear blades and an increased cutting width of 500mm, providing improved coverage during operation, designed to deliver improved stability during use. The UC031G is a top-handled brushless 40-volt chainsaw designed for professional cutting applications. It features an optimal center of gravity for improved tool balance and handling, with enhanced acceleration performance. With fantastic restartability, if the machine locks due to overload, the protection kicks in and will stop the chain. Once the load is removed, you can continue working without the need to re-trigger. It also features an auto power-off function after 5 minutes of inactivity. The UC031G is equivalent to a 27cc petrol machine, delivering performance in a compact cordless format. The DUC258 18-volt chainsaw features an optimal center of gravity, delivering excellent tool balance and handling. It provides improved acceleration performance and is 200 grams lighter than the predecessor model, the DUC254. The tool is equivalent to a 23cc petrol machine, offering compact cordless performance for cutting applications. The ML013G and DML819 are magnetic work lights with a rotatable head, designed for maintenance work on construction machinery and heavy equipment, enabling hands-free operation when attached to ferrous metal surfaces. Both models deliver up to 1,200 lumens of brightness with a rotatable head for directional lighting and a foldable design for compact storage. Runtime is up to 29 hours on a 4 Ah 40V max XGT battery and up to 22 hours on a 6 Ah 18V LXT battery. The DML817 is a compact LED flashlight featuring a USB output for versatile use. It offers 3 lighting modes: side lighting plus uplighting, side lighting only, and uplighting only. The DC18SJ is a battery charger for LXT batteries, operating via USB-C power delivery 60 watts or higher. It is compatible with USB PD power supplies ranging from 60 watts to 100 watts and supports 14.4 volts and 18 volt LXT batteries only. The charger features a 3-color charging status indicator, red, blue and orange, and is compatible with a wide range of power sources. The ADP14 car adapter is designed for use with the DC18SJ USB-C battery charger, enabling in-vehicle charging via a cigarette lighter socket. It converts the vehicle power source into a USB-C connection for use with the DC18SJ charger. That's a wrap on our June product showcase, a full lineup of new Makita innovation, built for the demands of the job site and beyond. To find out more, head to your nearest dealer or visit our website for more details. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.